Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about cardamom health benefits and side effects. It's essential to note that while cardamom offers numerous health benefits, individual reactions can vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Cardamom nutritional value. 1. Calories. Cardamom has 311 calories per 100 grams of cardamom. 2. Water content. Cardamom has 8.28 grams of water per 100 grams of cardamom. 3. Carbohydrates, around 68.5 grams per 100 grams of cardamom. 4. Protein, about 10.8 grams per 100 grams of cardamom. 5. Fiber. Cardamom has 28 grams of fiber per 100 grams of cardamom. 6. Vitamins. 100 grams of cardamom contains vitamin C, 21 milligrams, vitamin B6, 0.23 milligrams, thiamine, 0.198 milligrams, and riboflavin, 0.182 milligrams. 7. Minerals. 100 grams of cardamom contains potassium 1,120 milligrams, phosphorus 178 milligrams, calcium 383 milligrams, magnesium 229 milligrams, manganese 28 milligrams, iron 14 milligrams, sodium 18 milligrams, and zinc 7.47 milligrams. Bioactive compounds in cardamom. Green cardamom, Elettaria cardamomum, is a spice particularly rich in bioactive compounds that contribute to its flavor, aroma, and potential health benefits. Here are some of the key bioactive compounds found in green cardamom. 1. Essential oils. Cardamom contains a significant amount of essential oils, which are primarily composed of terpenes. The main components of these essential oils include alpha-terpinyl acetate, known for its pleasant aroma and potential therapeutic effects. Eucalyptol. This has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Limonene provides a citrus-like aroma and may have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Phenolic compounds. Cardamom is rich in various phenolic compounds, which contribute to its antioxidant properties. These include flavonoids, quercetin, catechins, and phenolic acids like caffeic acid. 3. Terpenoids. Green cardamom contains terpenoids like saponine, terpenine, and myrcene. These compounds have diverse biological activities, including antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. 4. Alkaloids. Green cardamom pods contain alkaloids such as 1,8-cineol, which contribute to its medicinal properties. These bioactive compounds collectively contribute to the therapeutic potential of green cardamom. Cardamom health benefits. Cardamom is a popular spice known for its aromatic flavor and potential health benefits. Here are the key points regarding its benefits. 1. Digestive health. Cardamom has been traditionally used to alleviate digestive issues such as indigestion, gas, and bloating. Cardamom has also antispasmodic property and helps in relieving stomach cramps and spasms. 2. Antioxidant properties. Cardamom contains antioxidants that provide protection against damages caused by free radicals inside the body. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. 3. Oral health. Chewing cardamom and its use in mouth fresheners can help combat bad breath. Compounds in cardamom have antibacterial properties that can benefit oral health. 4. Heart health. Some studies suggest that cardamom may help in lowering blood pressure, which is beneficial for heart health. Cardamom may also help in reducing cholesterol levels. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cardamom contains compounds that exhibit anti-inflammatory effects, potentially benefiting conditions related to inflammation. 6. Diuretic effects. Cardamom may act as a diuretic, promoting urination and helping to flush out toxins from the body. 7. Potential cancer prevention. Cardamom has antioxidants which protect the body against damages caused by free radicals. Free radicals are among one of the cancer-causing reasons. Hence, the use of cardamom may protect the body against cancer. Cardamom side effects. 1. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to cardamom, leading to symptoms such as skin rashes, itching, or respiratory issues. 2. Gastrointestinal issues. Consuming large amounts of cardamom may irritate the gastrointestinal tract in some people, leading to discomfort or diarrhea. 3. Interactions with medications. Use of cardamom, its supplements or extracts might interact with certain medications, especially those for blood pressure or blood clotting. Consult a healthcare professional if you are already on any medication. 4. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should exercise caution with cardamom consumption. While culinary amounts are generally safe, larger medicinal doses may not be suitable. 5. Blood clotting. Cardamom may have a mild blood-thinning effect. If you have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood-thinning medications, consult a doctor before using cardamom supplements. 6. Renal issues. Individuals with kidney disease or those on potassium-restricted diets should be cautious as cardamom contains a notable amount of potassium, as a result of which renal disease may get worsen. Overall, while cardamom offers several potential health benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation as part of a balanced diet unless otherwise directed by a healthcare provider. Individuals with allergies, sensitivities, or specific health conditions should consult a healthcare provider before incorporating cardamom into their diet or using cardamom-based products. Thank you for watching this video.